Philip Yancey's book, Prayer. Does it make any difference? Published in 2006 by Zondervan, is a profound and personal exploration of prayer, its purpose, power, and challenges. Yancey, renowned for his thoughtful and reflective approach to faith, delves into the nature of prayer by addressing common doubts, struggles, and expectations that believers face. The book intertwines theological insight with real-life stories, biblical analysis, and Yancey's own spiritual journey. Divided into 5 parts, each containing 3 to 5 chapters, the book offers a comprehensive overview of prayer, making it an essential read for anyone seeking to deepen their understanding of this spiritual practice.
Yancey begins by acknowledging that prayer is often difficult, inconsistent, and mysterious for many people. He explores why prayer sometimes feels frustrating, why God seems silent, and why prayers seem unanswered. He raises honest questions. Does prayer change God's mind? Why does God sometimes seem distant? If God knows everything, why do we need to pray? Through these questions, Yancey invites readers into a candid and empathetic discussion, making the struggle with prayer a relatable and common experience. Yancey beautifully illustrates that the primary purpose of prayer is not to manipulate God into giving us what we want, but to nurture a loving relationship with Him. He emphasizes that prayer is about harmonizing ourselves with God's will, bringing peace and clarity to our lives. He explains that prayer is an invitation to a deep and intimate connection with God. It is less about changing circumstances and more about transforming the heart and soul of the one who prays. God desires a loving, two-way relationship, not just one where we present requests. Unanswered prayers are not unheard prayers. One of the most heart-wrenching aspects of prayer is when prayers go unanswered. Yancey delves into this sorrowful issue by reflecting on biblical examples, including Jesus' prayer in Gethsemane, "Let this cup pass from me," and illustrating how even Jesus faced the profound mystery of divine silence. He offers contemplative reasons why prayers may not be answered as we hope, including God's higher wisdom and plans, the role of free will in human affairs, and the presence of evil and suffering in the world. Yancey emphasizes that unanswered prayers do not signify God's absence, but rather that His ways and timing often transcend human comprehension. This profound mystery invites us to trust in His greater plan, even when we cannot see it. Building on the previous insights, Yancey emphasizes that prayer is powerful and transformative. He shares stories of miraculous answers to prayer and highlights that prayer ignites resilience, hope, and trust in God. It unites communities and fortifies relationships. Persistent prayer strengthens faith even when results are not immediate. Yancey shares inspiring examples of historical figures, including Martin Luther King Jr. and Mother Teresa, who drew immense strength from prayer during their trials. Yancey offers serene guidance on nurturing a meaningful prayer life. He suggests embracing honesty in prayer, gently bringing doubts, fears, and emotions openly before God, cultivating listening in prayer, creating space for silence and reflection rather than just speaking, embracing variety in prayer, exploring different forms such as praise, confession, thanksgiving, and intercession, praying with others, engaging in communal prayer to experience shared faith. Yancey concludes that prayer is not about controlling God but about deepening our relationship with Him. While prayer does not guarantee specific outcomes, it offers comfort, connection, and spiritual transformation. He encourages readers to persist in prayer, even when struggling, finding solace in the journey and warmth in the connection it fosters. In the end, prayer is a journey of faith, love, and hope, offering a profound sense of peace and purpose.
Philip Yancey's book, Prayer. Does it make any difference? Is a deeply personal and thoughtful book that resonates with those who have wrestled with the complexities of prayer. Yancey does not provide easy answers, but instead guides readers toward a deeper understanding of prayer's role in faith and life. As we conclude, let us reflect on the profound impact prayer can have on our lives.
Please share your personal experience about prayer in the comments for the benefit of others. Thank you for watching. If you find this video insightful, please share with your friends and family. Remember, prayer is a journey, not a destination. Stay blessed.